Ottery St Mary, known as Ottery, is a very small, sleepy town in East Devon that stages a particularly pyrotechnic fueled event every Guy Fawkes night. In a tradition dating back from the 17th century, barrels are soaked in tar and set alight and carried through parts of the town by residents. The exact origins of this utterly crazy event are unknown, but it probably started after the gunpowder plot of 1605. Various other reasons suggested for burning barrels included fumigation of cottages as a warning of the approach of the Spanish Armada. The West Country has a history of torchlight processions and burning barrels, and Ottery is the only one of many towns and villages that carried on the annual tradition of burning the barrels, which were originally rolled down the streets on November 5th each year. Somewhere along the line, someone decided rolling the barrels was tame, and carrying the barrels on your shoulders was far more appealing, and so the present tradition was born, and now Ottery is the only town in the country carrying full-sized burning tar barrels through the streets. 3 weeks before Guy Fawkes night, all manner of material is collected from the community and taken down to Millennial Green, where the annual bonfire and fairground are. The bonfire is normally finalised 1 week before the event and usually stands about 25 foot high with a girth of around 50 foot. The festivities begin in the early evening with the children's, youth's and women's events, culminating in the men's event, where a total of 17 barrels are lit outside each of the 4 public houses in the town. The barrels, increasing in size up to 30 kilograms, are carried through the town centre, often packed with onlookers, in an exhilarating and risky spectacle. Only those born in the town, or who have lived there for most of their lives, may carry a barrel. Generations of the same family have been known to honour this tradition across the years. Barrel rollers traditionally don't wear modern fireproof clothing. Instead they make do with hoodies, a towel, and homemade padded gloves out of wire and hessian. In recent years, the event has been jeopardised by the need of increasing public liability insurance coverage. Nevertheless, the event continues and the town of 7,000 people increases to well over 15,000. During the event, all roads in and out of Ottery are closed for safety reasons, with diversions in place. Signs are set up all around the outskirts of the town, warning people that are entering on the night to do so at their own risk. In 2009, the factory barrel was sabotaged by a visitor who threw an aerosol can into the barrel. The can exploded in the heat and 12 spectators required treatment for burns. In an unrelated incident, the roof of the old fire station burnt down on the night of the 2009 tar barrels. This event is really something you need to experience for yourself. It's utter chaos, but so much fun. Every year the whole event has an absolute buzzing atmosphere. I highly recommend it, but be warned, you may be leaving Ottery St Mary at the end of the night without your eyebrows.
Oh, it's going now. Look at it. Look at it. Go, boys!
Thanks for watching this video, folks. I hope you all had a safe and festive Guy Fawkes night. And if you're new to the channel, maybe you would consider hitting that subscribe button. We now have a ton of videos on the channel and plenty of playlists for you to watch. So, bye for now.